Health benefits of mint leaves. Most of us are familiar with the refreshing application of mint, but it has far more to offer than that. The health benefits include the following. Number 1. Treat asthma. Regular use of this herb is very beneficial for asthma patient as it is a good relaxant and relieves congestions. That being said, using too much of it in this way can also irritate the nose and throat. Number 2. Cure allergies and hay fever. Extracts of mint leaves have been shown to inhibit the release of certain chemicals which aggravate severe nasal infection symptoms associated with hay fever and seasonal allergies. Number 3. Aid in digestion. Mint is a great appetizer or a palate cleaner. The aroma of the herb helps activate the salivary glands in your mouth as well as the glands which secretes the digestive enzyme, thereby facilitating digestion. It also soothes the stomach in case of indigestion or inflammation. It is a potent remedy for relieving the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Number 4. Aid in breastfeeding. For many women, breastfeeding is a beautiful part of raising a child, but it can affect the breast and nipple. A research study has shown that mint oil helps reduce the nipple cracks and pain that often accompany breastfeeding. Number 5. Prevent respiratory disorder. Menthol present in mint helps in relieving nasal congestions. The strong aroma of this herb is also very effective in clearing up congestion of the throat, bronchi and lungs, which gives relief from respiratory disorder other than result from asthma and common colds. As it cools and soothes the throat, nose and other respiratory channels, it also relieves the irritation which causes chronic coughing. This is the main reason why so many balms are based on mint. Unlike the inhaler that are based on aerosols, those with mint as the fundamental component tends to be more effective and eco-friendly as well. Number 6. Skin care. While mint oil is a good antiseptic and anti-protective material, the juice obtained from mint is an excellent skin cleanser. It soothes the skin and help cure infections and itchiness. Its anti-protective properties can be used for treating bug and insect bites like those of mosquitoes, honeybees, hornets, wasps, and gnats. The cooling sensation will relieve you from irritation and the constant urge to scratch, and the anti-inflammatory nature of mint will bring down the swelling. In that same vein, its oil is often a basic component of bug repellents like citronella candles because the strong aroma is unappealing to most insects. Number 7. Weight loss. Mint leaves help in your efforts to lose weight in a healthy way. A study published in 2003 suggests that it helps stimulate the digestive enzymes that absorb nutrients from food and consume fat and turn it into usable energy. Therefore, by adding it to your diet, you are increasing the amount of fat that is being consumed and put to use, rather than being stored and contributing to weight loss. Weight gain. Number 8. Prevent memory loss. In a study, it was found that people who frequently use chewing gum, in which the major active ingredients is mint, had a higher level of memory retention and mental alertness than those who did not. The stimulant qualities of this herb once again have shown yet another reason to pop that stick of gum in your mouth or chew some leaves when you are feeling anything less than brilliant. Number 9. Oral care. According to research, mint has germicidal qualities and it quickly freshens breath. It also adds to oral health by inhibiting harmful bacterial growth inside the mouth and by cleansing the tongue and teeth. In modern times, for the same reason, menthol is one of the most common elements in toothpaste, mouthwashes, and other dental hygiene products. Of course, the easiest way to get these results is to simply chaw on the leaves. Number 10. Treat nausea. Mint leaves also help you deal with nausea and headaches. The strong and refreshing aroma of mint is a quick and effective remedy for nausea. Use mint oil or any other product having a mint flavor and your stomach issue will be elevated. In fact, many people keep menthol oil or mint flavored products on hand to avoid nausea. Number 11. Relieve headaches. An issue released by the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics mentions that using mint help in relieving headaches. Balm with the mint-based or basic mint oil, when rubbed on the forehead and nose, give quick relief in case of headaches. Number 12. Reduce depression and fatigue. Mint is a natural stimulant and the smell alone can be enough to charge your energy and get your brain functioning at a higher level again. A popular way to get good results is an easy manner is to put a few drops of mint essential oil or menthol oil on your pillow at night and let it work on your body and mind while you sleep. You can even experiment with using a eucalyptus mint body wash as it known to cool and invigorate the body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.